So I wonder if the terminal connections aren't messed up. But, all right, here we go, everybody. I have a 2017 Chevy Express van. Customer states it is a no start. So you put the key in the ignition, let it finish its cycle, see the lock button comes back on, right? So the customer assumed it was security related. You see, I give the key, nothing happens. Customer claims they've been to multiple shops. So forgive me 1 second while I go down and pull out one particularly annoying fuse. So based on the codes, it brought me to this circuit. And as you can see, this fuse is no good. So I'm going to temporarily use a 5 amp because that's all I have here. This is a 2 amp fuse. Let's see what happens. Oh, first of all, keys off. Now let's see what happens. Okay, let's put our relay back in. Okay, we'll leave a cover off for now. And now, let's put our key in the ignition. There you have it, folks. Multiple service visits for a fuse.